this video will be a quick recap about the last trade that I have shared with you guys, which is short on AN. And just before that, if you guys don't have the falcon contents like the falcon mechanics, the forward, the rewired, the AFT, which is the refinement, the fast web manners, and also the hybrid trading, all you have to do is just message me here on Telegram, or you can just scan here. So you will get all those contents for a small amount of fee, and this will be only for a limited time. All right, a limited time, mark my word. And let's break it down. I already did breakdown. As we can see here, we go directly from here, and also there is a gap, this kind of gap where we have on the TP mark or the next valuable point, which is very important. If we don't have the mark, if we don't have the gap here, that means that trade is a bit riskier one, right? So we have to have a clear entry point and a clear TP point, which is the most important one. And also, as we can see, we have already got directed from here, which is on the 90% mark, which is which becomes the trade like the shorting of this position a bit riskier, right? So we broke this point, that's a good sign. And also we move to the H1 time frame. As we can see here, impulse correction impulse, this is what we're waiting for. I want to get it on the risk entry, but the thing is we have already the 90% rule, so risk entry is still valid, but the thing is that it involves the higher risks in it. So your job as a trader is to mitigate the risks, is to mitigate those higher risks to lower risks by using a different way of entry, by waiting for a some weighted time frame to take the trade, or maybe just avoid the trade if it's not worth it to take, right? So as we can see, all we have to do is wait for an insurance entry. And here also we can see there is a small gap there, right? So from here you can get 2 to 1, 2%, right, which is extremely high. And I closed this trade for around 5%. Here all I did was set a TP on 5%, that's it. So this is, guys, all you have to do is just focus on key things, focus on try to focus on taking the best decisions again and again and again, and always try to think about in a way of risk manager, not a not a not a trader, actually thinking as a risk manager who trades, right? Not a trader who manages risks, a risk manager who trades. There is a difference in those things, right?